Looking to boost your lead generation? Learn how seamless Facebook ads integration can revolutionize your strategy. Hi there! Today, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Facebook ads into your marketing platform to improve both lead generation and tracking. Start by logging into your account. In the left menu, click Launchpad, where you'll find the Facebook connection option. Alternatively, you can go directly into Settings, located at the bottom of the left menu. Scroll down and locate the Integration option. Click on Connect to Facebook. Ensure your Facebook account is open in another tab for quick verification. Once verified, it will connect your Facebook and the required pages. Now add your ad account, integrate Facebook Messenger and Instagram, and synchronize your leads. This allows for better lead management and tracking across platforms. Grab your 30-day free trial now and start building your own funnel today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for the easiest and most effective start. Links are in the video description. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips on optimizing your digital marketing, subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.